Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I will teach you how you can make a delicious vanilla ice cream homemade with the Ninja ice cream machine. Okay, we'll start by taking 90 grams of sugar and 80 grams of egg yolks. And you will mix it until the mixture gets like a little white color. I'll show you when it's ready. So just mix it until it looks like mine. Okay, after mixing a while, this is how it is supposed to look like. It got a little like white yellow mixture color. So this is how you want it to look. Okay, now we will put the milk and the whipped cream that's in here. We're gonna put it in here and warm it up until it like starts steaming a little. Only a little, not a lot, a little. And don't put it too high on heat so it doesn't burn, because if it burns, then that's not good. I don't know if you guys can see, but mine has started to steam a little, so this means it's good. And we will now put half of this in the other mixture with sugar and eggs. So let's go and do that now. I have now put in half of our whipped cream and milk in here. So it will turn like super milky, you understand. And this is where we're gonna give our ice cream the flavor vanilla as we want it. So I have vanilla powder, but you can also do it with vanilla liquid. And we will put a little, not too much, just a little bit of powder in there, so we get a great flavor, but not too much vanilla, because that's not good. So we just mix it a little. So, and now we put this on back in the pan and let it warm up until 70 degrees. So you guys will see when I got it on 70 degrees, and then I will tell the next step. It's now 70 degrees. You can check it with anything. I usually use one of these, those temperature meter things. Super helpful. And then when it's 70, you will gonna put this in your Ninja ice cream cup. You know. As you can see, I've put it all in our Ninja ice cream cup. And now, before you put this on, we're just gonna let it cool for like half an hour, or even more, until it's not warm anymore. Because you don't want to put anything warm in a freezer, because then the freezer is gonna get warm. Your food will not be that good for a long time. So I'm gonna let this cool down, and we'll get back tomorrow when this has been in the freezer for 24 hours, a full day. Then we will make ice cream, because this is not ice cream yet. So see you tomorrow. I'm now here, and let's turn this solid block of ice into ice cream. And how we will do this, I'll show you. Start by taking this, open it, just like that, and putting this in like this. Now we will take this with the knives on it again until you hear it click. That's when it's good. You put it in here and you turn it up just like so. Now we'll press it on. And now there will be all of these choices. But for me, I'm gonna take this one, the ice cream. And it's gonna make a lot of noise, so yeah, don't bother that. As you can see, it's now done. Now, it isn't really done yet. It's not like the ice cream that we want. So you don't have to like put it out or whatever. Just press this button right here. Will go down. Just, I don't know why you have to do this, but take it down and then right back up again. And now you don't want to press this again, but you want to press respin. It's also done now. Now, when you press this and it comes down, you can take it out, open it, and look at that beautiful ice cream. Now, I'm done, but you can add stuff by making like a 2x2 hole all the way down and putting some broken cookies in it. And then you're just gonna close the lid again, put it in, pull it up. But now, none of these buttons, but in extras. And that's gonna spin once again and put all the cookies everywhere, so you don't have like big cookies and somewhere you have none. So that's if you want to add something. I usually do it, but I don't want to have it too much. I don't want to do too much for this video. So I'm done with this. Now this, you can keep it like this with this on, just like this, and it can stay in the freezer for a long time because it's already mixed, so you don't have to do it again. Only if you keep it like for longer than 5 hours, then it's good to just once press respin and then you can eat it again. But if it's not longer than 5 hours, you could keep it in the freezer or you just eat it directly like I'm gonna do now. So that was it for the video. Bye bye.